Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. I'm Brian Robinson. We have Kelsey behind the camera. Today we are coming at y'all with a very easy recipe that we are going to use just to eat while we're hanging outside. We're going to smoke up some bologna. We're going to do it on the pellet grill. So let's get this going. So what we have is some Petit bologna. These are the smaller sticks. They call them the cracker bologna. So we are gonna start off using a binder. These are kind of dry on the outside, so our seasoning probably won't stick if we don't put some type of a binder. So we're just gonna use a regular yellow mustard, nothing too fancy. Get that rubbed in.
But you took the casing off, right?
Well, of course I took the casing off. The casing is red, so it does have kind of an odd color. But we are putting the yellow mustard, so we're just going to come back with some What's This seasoning, Arkansas-based company right here. Shout out What's This seasoning. Been around for a long time. So we're just going to hit a light layer. Give it some good color. So basically, just on the smoker, we're looking to actually gain a little smoke flavor, get a good color on this, and just kind of amp up the bologna flavor. And then I'm probably going to eat these with some saltine crackers, some hot sauce, some cheese. You could make some sliders, do whatever you want to with it, but we couldn't really find too much at the store, so we went with bologna. So we got our Green Mountain Grill Davy Crockett running 250 degrees behind us. Let's get these on. All right, this grill is at 250 degrees. We got some good smoke going. We're using some Barbecuer's Delight pecan pellets for this cook. And so all we're gonna do is just take this whole rack, put it in there, and we're just gonna let it roll. There's really no exact time and exact internal temperature. We're just gonna let it get that smoke and start getting a color. And so we'll check back on it in probably an hour and see what it's looking like, and we'll come back to y'all then. All right, this bologna has been on for right at an hour and a half. So I think our bark has had time to set. We've got some good color to it. So we're gonna come in, use your favorite barbecue sauce, but we are gonna use Blues Hog Original, kind of give a little sweet note to it. So all we're gonna do is just drizzle a little bit over, and it'll run down the sides. We didn't heat this up or anything. It'll heat up in here. So we're going to get this other one sauced, and then we'll see y'all at the cutting board. We're just going to let these probably stay on another 5 minutes. Get that good shine going on, looking good. So we'll see y'all here shortly. The bologna is done. We let it stay on the cooker about 5 more minutes, and as you can see, that sauce makes this look awesome. And so it's been sitting here just a few minutes, and so before we slice into this, we started with some Petit bologna. They called it cracker cut, cracker size, something like that, and we seasoned it up with some What's This seasoning right here. We put it on the Green Mountain Grill at 250 degrees. It went for right at an hour and a half, and then we added some Blues Hog Original sauce to it. Left it on about 5 minutes to let that sauce set. You can do this on any grill, season it with your favorite seasoning, sauce it with your favorite sauce, and it comes out really, really good. So we'll get us some slices here. Try not to mess it up too much with my fingers. But however thick you like it, we're going to put this on some crackers, so we're not wanting it real thick. It looks really good. Kelsey's not a huge bologna fan, so me and Jag will have to take care of this.
It smells good though.
All right. Put that knife down. So basically what I have here is just some saltine crackers. We'll pull us a piece out from down here. We'll set that on there. We got some pepper jack cheese, Got a little bit of hot sauce here that I'm going to put on top of it. And we'll see how we did. Definitely got some awesome flavors. Had to go get cleaned up a little bit, but we appreciate y'all watching this video. Give this a try, something easy, something cheap. And hey, we can find it in our store right now, so that says something. So y'all check us out at 501 BBQ on Facebook, Instagram, and we'll catch y'all on the next video, and y'all wash them hands.